Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of building the multi-million-dollar Shopify store called Sour Strips. Before we begin, I'll give you guys a quick preview of exactly what we updated. Alright guys, what's up? So you guys saw the updates that we got done. Basically, we added a whole lot of products. We set up the collection in the proper way that we wanted it to. We even have the collections page that we kind of manipulated in a way so that it would be in list form. For those who are wondering, how we set up this theme and what theme it is with all the features that it comes with, this is called the Wolf of Shopify theme. This is the original Wolf of Shopify theme. You could go to wolfofshopify.com/highest converting Shopify theme. I'll just leave the link, my affiliate link, in the description box down below, and you guys can check it out. Or you could just go to wolfofshopify.com and hit this little button right here, the first one, and it will take you to this page. And this page is where the theme is being sold. They kind of talk about all the theme benefits and things like that. And you could also use my discount code if you're interested. So the package comes with the Wolf Shopify theme, a Facebook ad guide or a vault. And basically, for those who don't know, I've read the book myself. It's just basically a whole bunch. I think there's a ton. I don't remember the exact number, but there's a ton of basically ads in there that they explain, why the ads are good or bad, and they kind of give you examples with screenshot examples, and they kind of give you pointers on what can make this ad better or worse, or what kind of people, what kind of group it targets and things like that. So I think it's pretty cool. If you guys are interested in that, the Wolf Shopify theme right here, once again, I'll leave the link in the description box. It's my affiliate link, so whenever you guys buy, a portion of that money does go to our YouTube channel through the affiliate money, it just helps me to keep making these videos. So if you guys are interested, use my discount code WARRIOR. I'll leave it in the description box down below. All right, so if we just go to catalog here, we can see the catalog of all our products here. So we did a lot of work. The product page is perfectly set to the way we want it. We have a special offer box. We have some information here on the right. We have some add to cart. We have everything set up perfectly the way we want it. We have the sticky add to cart. Just all these things come together and build a perfect store in transition. Now, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and explain some of the things. Maybe I didn't mention them in the first episode. Some things that you want to get done, some things that you don't want to forget. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you have a mobile logo, right? So the way to do that is you just go over here to your theme settings, you go over here to header mobile, and you upload the actual logo. This is something I didn't explain last time. I don't know why, I just didn't focus on it, but essentially that's something you want to focus on, or just get it done, because sometimes you can forget, because the header only has 2 logo options, but none of them are for mobile, they're for desktop, right? So that's just something to be aware of. And yes, you can add different logos for your mobile, for desktop, for all the other pages. So for example, this is the home page, right? And this is the logo for the home page. Now if I wanted to change that up, here's the logo for all other pages. So I can remove this and select a whole different logo. I could select this let's pick the cherries, right? And I could pick these cherries, and I could go to a different page other than my home page. So this is a home page right now. If I hit the catalog button, notice how the cherries are right here. Before they used to be this blueberry, now they're the cherries, right? Because it's header other pages. So if we want to switch that up, we just go back here and scroll down to our header other pages and get that taken care of. So I'm gonna go back to the blueberry, just keep everything the same in unison, and keep it right there. And so notice how I don't have to save anything because it was there in the first place. And then also for mobile, we have the same logo. Like I said, go to settings and then hit the header mobile. Okay, now there's some things that we want to get taken care of also, is that when somebody adds a product to their cart, so for example, just like this, okay, we want to have a little bit more of a selection down here. So this is referred to as a pop-up. So let's go over here to pop-up theme, and let's go scroll down and let's select the actual collection we want it to be featured. So in this case, there's 2 different areas where you could select collections, which is why you got to kind of read the settings. So here it says pop-up random product. Pop-up random product has everything to do with this little pop-up in the corner of what people are buying. And notice how it's only the blue one because it's the home page collection. If we remove that and we select, let's say, clothing, it's gonna switch it up to all the clothing is the best sellers, and you'll see this in a minute once I just save my progress and the green bar fully loads. The reason why I popped up blue is because the progress didn't save, but there you go, that's the first one. The next thing is pop-up add to cart success. So whenever somebody adds to cart like I just did, you want to have more selections here. So we'll select any one of these collections. So I can select the candy collection, and it will give now customers a larger option of all the different candy as upsells. Okay, and typically, for example, you want to just give them a wide variety of different products that are on your store. So once again, hit add to cart, and now you could see the difference, which is a little bit better. Okay, so those are just some quick little tips. And just to keep you guys just aware, keep you guys on your toes when it comes to designing your store. And sometimes that could make a difference between the pop-up and all these kind of things. Let's go ahead and jump into our frequently asked questions page, things like that. So let's just save our progress before we exit out. Let's give it a second, and let's go over here and exit the whole theme in general, and then we're going to go to pages. And once we go to pages, we're going to start adding pages. So we'll hit add page, and we're going to look at these different page suffix templates. So basically what this is that this is the format for the proper page you want to build. So if we want to create a frequently asked questions page, we'll just hit frequently asked questions. We can label it whatever we want. It doesn't really matter. We just have to remember the name. So I'm going to call it FAQs, and I'm going to hit save. And now we created a frequently asked questions page. I'll show you guys how to edit these pages in a minute. But let me just create one more page. Let's say I create a, let's see here. Let's go with contact us. Why not? Right? And let's call it contact us. Let's hit save. And so got that done. And so let's go back here. So we have both of our pages. Let's go ahead and hit the online store button, hit customize, and let's just give it a second. Sometimes all the pages don't load immediately, right? You can see here like they didn't load, so all we have to do is just refresh. This is one of the things with Shopify 2.0, the things that they've changed with Shopify, the whole UI system. Sometimes it takes some time to load. So there you go, it popped up. So let's hit contact us button. And there we go, we have a contact us page. So we can add a breadcrumb, which is basically the banner in the background. I could select this banner and keep it uniform throughout, right? And so that's essentially the contact us page. Obviously there's different styles and formats of the contact us page, as you guys saw. Let's go ahead and head back here to the frequently asked questions page. And the frequently asked questions page, it has a whole bunch of questions set up for us. You know, you guys might want to edit this, and you just go over here to FAQs, you select any one of them, and you just edit the text. It's just really that simple. So how long does it take for home delivery? If I wanted to just get rid of all this text, I could do that, and I could type in 1 day, right? I could do whatever I want to do and hit save, and there it is. All right, so that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this update, give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, come back for tomorrow to see the next episode, all right? I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.